Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the bulk editor tool and taxes. So for this, you're going to want to go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and then you're going to go to the menu icon here on the left, and then account menu, and then all the way down here on the bottom is bulk editor. So the bulk editor tool is a new feature that Heartland came out with. It allows you to make mass changes all at once. So for this, you're going to see a drop down for record type. So when you click on this drop down, it's going to show you all the areas that you can go in and bulk edit. I'm not going to cover every single area on this video. I'm just going to do the taxes one. If you're interested in one of the other areas you see here, please go search for my other videos. So on taxes, you do have a search. I don't know anybody that has that many taxes where they're going to need to search for it, but this search bar is pretty much there for every single area in the bulk editor tool. So it's probably just there by default. To add new, you can add new here. Then you can also delete things. So when you add new, basically just put in a name and tax rate, and boom, you're done. Now, when you're adding though, you do have to add certain tags and stuff. So for that, you will have to go to the regular taxes area, because just adding one here doesn't change it, or doesn't really add taxes for you. Also, you want to be careful that if your settings are set for the taxes to be controlled by the room, then this area won't help you at all. You'll need to go into the room and able to edit the taxes. If you need more information on either one of those, please go see my video on taxes. So if you are set up, you're not using the room level taxes, and you're just using the regular taxes, then this is a nice location to go in and edit your tax rates. And then hit save. And then don't forget to hit save here too as well. And then make sure you get your save successful tag, and then make sure to publish changes. Otherwise, those changes aren't going to show up online or your workstations. I hope this video was helpful. That's all I have for this one. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.